Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can speed up like Canva audios. You do have to do it in another app. So I just added this on here and you can adjust how long you want this to be, I guess. I'm just gonna attempt to adjust this a little bit. Okay, you might have to add more stuff. But you're just going to share it and you're going to download it. Now once you're in CapCut PC, you are going to add that audio in. For instance, this is the audio, okay? Then go to speed and you're just going to turn it to the right to speed it up. Select export and you're going to basically export it as just an audio here. And then that's pretty much it really. You're just going to import it back again to Canva. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.